Dear PT test taker, you know my name. My name is Vachaspati, and today I am gonna describe what happens in describe image in PT speaking module. So describe image is a really a high scoring sections in PT. So what happens here? Generally, you will get 6 to 7 questions in describe image. And after that, okay, the examiner will give you 25 seconds to prepare. I mean, they will give you 25 seconds. They give you 25 seconds to see the image, to see the picture. That picture can be pie chart. That picture can be line graph. That picture can be table. That picture can be map. And they will give you 25 seconds to see the picture, and after that, when the beep sound comes, they will provide you 40 seconds to respond the task. I mean, they give you 40 seconds to respond the task. Within 40 seconds, you have to speak, okay, very fluently, very naturally. You don't have to show hesitations. I mean, speak fluently, do not show hesitations, and especially here you need to focus on important elements like trend, comparisons, and features. So describe image is little bit a challenging task because they give you less time, I mean 25 seconds to prepare, and after that you should begin to speak, and it's really high scoring. Okay, and they will give you marks on the basis of content, on the basis of fluency, and on the basis of pronunciation. The fluency, pronunciation, and content, three are important skills, okay, especially in describe image. Thank you very much. Okay, in describe image, what are the things that you should keep in mind? Number one is content. It carries 5 marks. And pronunciation, it carries 5 marks. And fluency, it carries 5 marks. Each described image is of 15 marks. Okay, content 5 marks, pronunciation 5 marks, and oral fluency 5 marks. So let me make you understand here. Content means what the picture says, what the map says, what the line graph says, what the pie chart says, what the bar chart says. You need to describe it A to Z same. You don't need to be very creative. You don't need sufficient vocabulary to describe the image. What you see, you have to reproduce, you have to paraphrase. It's very easy. Some PT trainers and PT instructors often say it's very challenging. I too say it's very challenging at the beginning. Okay, it can be challenging, it can be difficult. As you practice, I don't think it will be very difficult for you. So, and the types of questions that you are going to get in describe image, number one is bar chart. Okay, they will show you bar chart in the screen. Number two is pie chart. They can show you pie chart, and when they show you pie chart and bar graph, what you need to do, you need to do comparisons and you need to show similarities. Okay, and they can give you line graph also. In line graph, you have to use the word, you have to use the word fluctuation. Okay, if it goes to the upper side and lower side, if the line is going to upper side and lower side, okay, you have to use the word fluctuation. Fluctuation means to go up and down. And next is called table. They can give you table. In table, they will give you data. You need to explain all data very carefully. You need to do comparisons, and you need to show similarities. At last, okay, they can give you a map also. They can give you a map of 2 different cities of 2 different years, and at that time what you need to do, you need to compare, okay, what you have seen in 2 maps in the gap of 10 years, what sort of progresses you have seen in next map, and the previous map, you have to do comparisons. So what I mean here, PT is not a very, and I mean difficult exam. It's very easy. Describe image is also very easy. You don't need to be very creative. What you have seen in the screen, you need to explain it. Okay, very carefully. You need to speak very fluently. You need to speak naturally. Okay, this is all about what a describe image. Thank you very much.